Okay guys, we are in Verdin Motel. Okay, so this is a pre-motel after work. This is my luggage. Okay, this is the whole surrounding in the room in my room in motel. So there's a lampshade, sofa, bed, TV, cable, and two chairs and small table. Okay, this is my bathroom. Okay, if you're working in oil field, so you're 2 hours far away from your home. Okay, so this is my stuff after shaving. So this is my bed, nice, simple. Okay, simple thing. So lampshade, simple with smooth. Because I'm going low but now, so I need to rush this video to share this blog if you're working in oil field or far from Manitoba to Esteban, Saskatchewan. So we need to finish immediately after take a bath because I need to rest first my surrounding area. Okay, that's my copy. So is my clothes for tomorrow and my extra clothes and my luggage and my knee pads. These drinks because no need too much luggage. This is my food: rice, corned beef, and rice again, and adobo rice with tortillas. Okay, may tortillas. So it's freezing, and this is a sandwich with tortillas. I wrap it earlier at the work and egg with tortillas for 3 days, 2 days, 3 days and 2 nights here in Manitoba. Okay, there's a AC. Okay, Burden Hotel. Okay, so I wanna show you outside in front of my parking spot, but the truck is in the other room for smoking area. This is non-smoking area. Okay, so I wanna see you outside. It's going dark now. This is the surrounding area of motel. Okay, that's the surrounding area of the motel. Okay, you can see that that's the Trans Canada Highway is the longest highway in the world. Okay, so as you can see that there's another extension of this motel. Okay, there's a co-op there. Okay, it's cold, windy at night. This is my co-workers at number 7, and me it's number 6, and black truck, that's our service for work. So the other one is maybe drinking and wine because of cold weather here. Okay, so that's my vlog for today. So I'm going outside to continue this before it's getting low, but okay, so just wait. Okay, so this is the surrounding area. This is Trans Canada Highway. Okay, so this is my sideline. Okay, speaking of our empty beer, empty cans. Okay, that's the whole motels. Yeah, it's cold now and windy. So this is the outside. It's the co-op there. Okay, because I'm getting low bat. So that's why we need to rush this video. Okay. extra income. That's the best thing to do after go back to the hometown. Okay, there's a way here. Going the outside. Okay. This good skip near in the site, job site, the rig site. Okay. It's the wrong room. My co-worker room. Okay. Extra. So I'm going to show you the other side. Okay. Just complete this vlog before I'm getting low bat. Okay. Okay. Going around. Just to see this Trans Highway Canada. It's dark now. It's almost 7:07. Okay. We're looking something very interesting. Okay. That's in the front side of Virgin Motel. Okay. Free Wi-Fi internet. See? So this is the whole highway from this side for going to Manitoba, Winnipeg. Yeah, that's I guess the side, and this side is going to Regina to BC. Okay, so we need to walking around to relax before take a shower. That's the whole highway going to, the side is going to Regina. So we need to go around relaxing. Even it's dark now. So we need to ask what is the password. Okay. There's a chair there, aircon rooms, 2 bedrooms, kitchenette. Okay, that's the whole thing. So this is our vlog for tonight. If you're living in Canada, if you're working in oil field job, just to walk around, see, that's the surrounding other side of the motel. Okay, that's the surrounding of our motel. Okay, so this vlog is the lifestyle of rigs life and pipes life. Okay, there's a bench there, there's an exit there, there's a in the middle. It's empty now because not busy. So we need to walking around just to continue this vlog for non-smoking and smoking. This is the neighbors. Okay, the moon and the sun. Okay. Just walking around before take a shower, relax. Okay. It's open parking. Okay, that's the motel here. If you travel so far, need to sleep, need to stop the GPS motel in Verdin, Manitoba. Okay, so after take a shower, take a bath, or eating supper. Okay, so we need to go to there to shortcut here just to continue our vlog for today. Okay, there's a portal here just to make a quick access. See, this is our room. Oh, I forgot to asking the password. Okay, I forgot. So for today, that's why the reason we going here just to ask the password. Okay, continuing to asking a password. Okay, I get the password before going back to room because it's dark now. It's nice to walking around, to walking somewhere. So it's time to relaxing and chilling. Yes. Good and windy at night. Yes. That's what I like here. Okay, that's the truck of the company. So we need to rest for a while. We're going to take a shower and sleep early after suffering. Okay. I forget I leave my money in the vehicle, so no time to go to the store to buy something. Okay, so I'm going back at my room to stay for safe. Okay, so that's it for now. The life in Canada. If you're working in the far area or far place, so we need to provide the company to stay at motel or hotel. It depends. Okay, so why not we going somewhere again there just to take the other area, the surrounding area for once before I'm going to start Lobat totally. Okay, so let's see. Just walking around beside in front of Trans-Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay. So hopefully you like this video, this content. Okay.